Hi friends, it's Ms. Muzingo here. It's time for preschool. Let's go ahead and get started. And let's look at the day. Today's date is the 24th of March. What day of the week? Let's sing our song to figure it out. Are you ready? Let's sing it together. Here we go. Days of the week. 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 Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Alright, let me hear you sing it. Days of the week. 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 And today is Tuesday, March 24th, 2020. We have 3 more days after today of online preschool, and then it'll be the weekend. It'll also be somebody's birthday on Sunday. I wonder whose it is. All right, we said it was going to be sunny with some clouds, and that was a very good prediction. It is sunny with clouds out there. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow? Let's make a prediction and put it in our prediction square. What do you think? I heard somebody say it's going to be windy. Put that right there in our prediction square. Now let's say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Excellent. Let's go ahead and count to 15. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, we're going to count backwards and launch that rocket ship. Is everybody ready to count backwards? Here we go. Starting at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Let's watch that rocket ship take off. Here we go.
Has occurred. Auto rocket booster nozzle steering check and work. 20. Firing chain is armed. 15. Go for main engine start. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. All 3 engines up and burning. 2, 1, 0, and liftoff. The final liftoff of Atlantis.
There's that rocket.
Space shuttle. America will continue the dream. Roger, Atlanta. Houston now controlling the flight of Atlantis. The space shuttle spreads its wings one final time for the start of a sentimental journey into history.
And that's our rocket that we launched by counting backwards from 10. Let's go ahead and look at some shapes. Who can find the heart? Where is that heart? Anybody see it? It's right here. What color is that heart? It is pink. Excellent. How about a color? Can we find the color orange? Where's orange? Here's that fish swimming around in the tank. It is orange. Our nursery rhyme this week is Hickory Dickory Dock. Hickory Dickory Dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. Down the mouse ran. Hickory Dickory Dock. We'll pull up that video and watch that.
Sing a song we'll all sing along with the Weathergins Club. The Weathergins Club.
right, that was our Hickory Dickory Dock. Now it's time to do our letter of the week. We've done the letter L, F, E, H, and T. And what is our letter this week? I. I says like Isa, the iguana, and the Incredibles. Let's see if we can pull up the Incredibles.
Did you wash your hands? With soap? Did you dry them? What? Is this all vegetables? Who ordered all vegetables? I did. So, are we going to talk about it?
What?
The elephant in the room.
What elephant?
Mom's new job.
It's time to make some wrong things right. Help me bring supers back into the sunlight. We need to change people's perceptions about superheroes, and Elastigirl is our best play.
Better than me?
Whoa! I like Mom's new job. Bye, sweetie.
I'll watch the kids, no problem.
That's not the way you're supposed to do it, Dad. They want us to do it
I
this
don't
way.
know that way. Why would they change math? Math is math. Math is math. Hello?
Hey, honey. How are the kids?
Everything's great.
Is she having adolescence? And check.
He's in excellent health. What the? Num num cookie. Cookie. Whoa, Daddy, that is freaky.
You know it's crazy, right? To help my family, I gotta leave it. To fix the law, I gotta break it.
You've got to, so our kids can have that choice.
Thank you, young man.
Combustion imminent? What does that mean? Ah!
It means fire, Robert.
Screen Slayer interrupts this program for an important announcement. Suit up, it might get weird.
I'll be there ASAP.
Where you going ASAP? You better be back ASAP.
Makes me want to watch the movie. That's the Incredibles. Start with the letter I. Let's talk about where we start making the letter I. I want to carry out. Reach up. Way up. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? This is the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Shake it in the middle. Shake it in the middle. D's got your letters at the top. At the top. Uh-oh. And you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top, top, top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top, top, top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top, top, top? It's the top, top, top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. All right, let's grab a big line and put it under the star because the letter I is a center starter. Now I'm going to go grab a little line and put it at the top. I've made the letter T, and T says t, 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 t. Let's grab a little line and put it at the bottom. And now we've made the letter I. My turn, hands in lap, listening ears on, inside voices off. Excuse me, my turn. Big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top, little line across the bottom. One more time, my turn, listening ears on, inside voices off. My turn. Excuse me. Big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top, little line across the bottom. Ready? Let's do it together. Fingers at the... I can't hear you. At the top. When we say big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top, little line across the bottom. Wonderful. Just to let everybody know, we're working on putting Mr. Matt online. Excuse me. And the pieces. So if you don't have access to a printer that you'd be able to print it off, all it really is a regular white piece of copy paper. And you would draw a happy face, Mr. Matt's happy face, in the top left-hand corner. So it would look like this. And then you can flip the piece of paper over, and on the other side, draw a star, make a star at the center of it. And that way the kids can flip it over when the letter is a center starter, like the letter I. They'd be able to use the star side. And if they needed, excuse me, to have Mr. Matt's smiling face, they'd flip it back over and have that side to be able to build with his face there. We also just use strips of pieces of paper to make the lines. So if you don't have access to a printer to be able to print off the things that we hopefully will be able to upload, know that you can make them on your own. There's not anything exciting about it. So if you need assistance with that, then we will be happy to figure something out. But like I said, we're going to go ahead and try to upload those today. And if it works, I'll put a message out on our stories so you know they're available. Have a great day, and we'll see you for story and music time.